Ungka itu cini media friend dong kini kaisa kok kecara meng sing bises ke masaka sing tentu saya mana cini kenai taku cini guru podobai Rajiv Devarma bro Assam bari Bidya Bilni bro ndok ekdom bodar bagi fajak ang bonro thangka ini belai kene kepal hambia humano bro bina dusui perkuno samang hamjak laima kiri, piaba bro bodar gandar tongo, tapi jeng kangke saima ka bro ne keto, takkan bro keto ayeng pensiun paro, Indian niklai abo, kinto pensiun paro, bro maje aro fasal klai lego keto klai lego, hake bro prayo make thangi tong mani, kinto asoma hotat thayai, bro no Bangladesh ni bidiaro, bro dom faika. Kira jeng saya maka baru kena kuno proof kuri, baru sama hamil klay mani, awak kuno baru nero proof kuri, apa no, baru ni dusengkai baru border cross klay mani, abo ni kuno baru ni visa nada gya, abo sabte baru ni sayangka. Piaba sengkana ka abo haike thangpa no, 3 mas bising baru yogu, abo ka ain ni mote, sengkana mani ain ni mote 3 mas sengkana baru yogu, piaba Borno ke bocor naik kerikha, boro 11 mas makat dekha 11 month, aw belai keno kapal hamjangka. Pia baseng onek cesta khaibani bisimbo. Nero sai makana ani department hoite ang neje 3-4 bachi tsuikha. Ani torot document tongo sini High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh Bikram Derai Swamino ang 2 bachi tsuikha. Kamu keba ang bisi interest nama hangkai abo ale elakani baru klayo Assam boreni service number constitution klayo ang baru chinigo te boreng poribar kabang mana ro phaikha abo yang belai kana khanangka mana 2-3 barang chidi sugia chini high commissioner no abro bisi go ang belai hambai maranai kroksa ani bondu chini Jera Foundation ni secretary Musahib Ali bo ang boy tabu tongo bo belai kena saktar college shahar ni chatlapur checkpost college shahar ni checkpost ho aro sing kaisa chikon cha function play nai aro ang ni thangnai te chin SP ni college shahar SP thangnai te DM chini UK Sakma DM bo tongnai te khoi ni DM bo tongnai khanabo play abai kleseng te chini police protection SP, DSP berapa butang mana? Tapi Bangladesh ni bahaya ang khanakar ni DC, te arni local SP, ang delegate Bangladesh ni beberapa bahaya. Ayah sengkaca aro, cikon cat panggang bahaya, exchange bahaya. Apa kaisa cini mari, cini the both country Bangladesh and India ni, je somporko, apa tu kehamung nai, beri sengkisa berno panggang bahaya, sengberno kita give berlain. Arni MP rano, arni DC rano. Angole mani pai tongka cini tiprani traditional cini risharo kete cini botol bamboo botol angole pai tongka perno sense gi pronai karne moli bazane DC tarni MP ro pai kangke sumperno kisa berbesing das cini somporko kahamuna bagai sumperno kisa gi pronai hambai boro kuno samu hambia klema kri boro kuno criminal activities baniau kri boro suza boro kaham tamang keba waisi borok bodar tongma ba borok waisi fencing paring thango apron borok dus piaba o sababik om hayongo sudu borok simia je borok bodar kinara tongai rok borok thang phainglai tonglai piaba adro borok kapal hamya borno arang bidiaro borok rom tlang thangka borno bagai sung kapal hamno mano chini chesta bai te chini ani borno mano chesta bai te jang hambai marona chini Bangladesh High Commissioner India ni Bikram Derai Swami boga personally ang kau selaika te bona chithi busuika bo bhaino boni contribution butongo bona mang I really give heartiest congratulations and thanks to our respected Bikram Derai Swami for his contribution and for his performance. Thank you very much. Sung kabang media sung nukha kabang alada kok salayo piaba asol जों कगना मासलायनाय बिसेसके आं दिनै मौलवीबाजार MP दिनै आब्दुल साहिब bo doctor bo tipara bo phaijak bo bangna kok salaikya bo to bele help hakya bunbang I really appreciate and give my regard to our MP Dr. Abdul Sahib MP Maulibajar for his initiative, for his contribution. I will never forget. And especially I also would like to thank the DC Maulibajar, Nahif Asan. He also have done a lot of performance regarding these issues. And also I congratulate and I really thanks from my bottom of my heart, Advocate Komalendu Das Maulibajar. He also helped us for their release. Therefore, I, on behalf of Tripura government and on behalf of myself and on behalf of the Jara Foundation, Musahib Ali, we give our best regard and thanks for their active participation and contribution and helping hand for releasing our two Indian national, Rajiv Devarma and also Gurupuru Devarma. They are very innocent. They have detained around 11 months in Maulibajar jail. But fortunately, this is already clear. Coming on 12 December, they will be released and there will be repatriation will take place. And I myself, with our whole team, will go and visit, will receive him and in Kolashahar. And also I give thanks to the DM Kolashahar, UK Chakma. He also worked very hard for these issues. And also DM OS. Both of these DM OS and Kolashahar DM are really contributing their performance. So I give my heartiest thanks and regard to them. Bonibang ang balay ke hambay maronay. Taibo chini kabang mo chini oroni ni NGO rok. Kabang mo chini borok rok. Borok bhaino borok bang surika. Ti borok bang samkhaika. Ang sajungya se kabang mo chini ti prasaro bhaino. Jotono khanangjak, dokhonangjak.